Struggle all you please. Escape is impossible.
You will pay for toying with my affections, woman. Death is coming for you on 8,000 fat little legs.
What do you mean by that?
Search me. A firing squad, maybe, with 4,000 short, overweight soldiers? Hey, where's Mutt? I thought he'd be with you.
They use that high freak thing to turn junk against him. He's out in the swamp somewhere with his own pooch hunting him down.
Ripcord, look out! Above you! I hate spiders. I mean, I really hate spiders.
Yeah? Well, in that case, Red, we got a serious problem here. In fact, about 1,000 problems with 8 legs apiece.